In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on Quantower. Now to do this, there's two different ways. The first one is to go to the top here and find the DX feed, click on it, and then from here when you have DX feed selected, go to simulated over here and simply click on connect. When you do this, it's going to start connecting and it's going to take you, as you can see here, into a simulated account. And then the second way is to go to the top left, click on the Quantower logo, and then in here you want to type in simulation or just simulator like this, and as you can see, it's going to find trading simulator. You can click on it, and then from here you can find the symbol. So I'm going to click on the plus button here and I'll find something, for example Euro USD. I'm going to double click it and I'm going to click on start. Now as you can see, whenever you do this, you can then go ahead and click on this button over here to open the panel, and you can open up things such as chart over here. You can also open up this order entry for your paper trading, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.